next piece is called Sir Charles Coote, and it was a piece written by Turlough O'Carolan, who was born in the late 1600s. You will all have heard of him. He was born in County Meath, and the family moved to Ballyfernan, and his father worked on Alderford Estate, and he lived there with his family, and at the age of 18 he was blinded by smallpox. And as a result of this, he couldn't work. So Mrs. McDermott Rowe, the lady of the house, took him under her wing, and she taught him to play the harp. And he spent years learning the harp. And when he had perfected his musicianship, she provided him with a horse and a guide, and he toured around the country, singing, performing, composing, and teaching music to the landed gentry. Now, one of this piece that we're going to play, he composed for Sir Charles Coote, who was a notorious landlord in my home village of Coote Hall. In actual fact, I lived for some time in the house that he built. It was supposed to be haunted by all the people that he had murdered. But anyway, he was a very unpleasant man, and this is actually a very beautiful piece of music. It's almost a shame to have it composed for such an awful man. Turlough O'Carolan is honoured every year with the O'Carolan Festival and the Summer School in Keeju. I'm sure you've probably all been to it, and it's a very, very worthwhile event to visit. So I hope you enjoy this piece. It's called Sir Charles Coote.